Now how about if we have for example 100 of files that need to be committed? It's impossible to stay commit one by one. Git add for example file 1, then git commit file 1, then git add file 2, then commit file 2. It is impossible to do that. That's why there is another way that we can add and commit a lot of file in a single time. So let's do that. First, let's check if everything is okay with git status. Yeah, and as we see, everything is working cleanly. Now let's just add like a simple space in our readme file with like hello world. We add space and we save it. Now let's see again with git status. Yeah, we see that it detects that the file has been updated, and now we are back again to the working area. Now let's create another file, just like a readme file. So touch, let's make it readme2 readme2.md. Now we are in the working area, and we will see how to make the both readme 1 and 2 go to the staging area, and after that to the repo area in one simple command, not by doing it one by one. So let's just put some text in that readme2. We go to our code editor, we see just readme. We will let gs readme2. gs in here, it's like h1 in HTML. It's the equivalent of h1 in HTML. And let's say our second, or just let's say just hello, oh shit, readme2. Let's just say hello world again. Yeah, this is a lot of hello. Okay, so now let's see how we can add them and commit them both in simple way. And to make this two file from this working area to staging area, we have two ways. The first way is, for example, with command git add, and then we add a dot. This dot means that every single file that exists in our demo repository will be moved to staging area. So this is the first way. The second way is, now we know that we have just two files who have the same extension, so we will do .md. So now every file that has the same extension md will be moved to the staging area, but me, I prefer to do like the dot. So now the both file will be moved from working area to the staging area. We hit commit, enter and not commit. And now let's see the status, git status. Yeah, and now we see that they show us that two files are detected, the readme and the readme2, the one who is modified or updated, and the new one which we just created. And now let's go from the staging area to the local repository with the git commit. So we'll do git commit and our message. For example, let's say my commit, commit with 2 MD files. Let's hit enter, and we see that the both files are committed and are now in the local repository. Now let's check with git status, and now we see that all work is fine and clean, and now we know how to add one file or multiple files from working area to staging area, and after that to the local repository, which we just did. This is all for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.